With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hi guys, we have a question right now. The question is the cross section of a railway tunnel is a rectangle 6 meter broad and 8 meter high and surmounted by a semicircle. Okay, the tunnel is 35 meter long. Okay, find the cost of plastering the internal surface of the tunnel, excluding the floor at the rate of 2.25 per meter rupees per meter square. Okay, so let's come to the question, guys. Okay, so first of all, what we will do? First of all, we will make a figure like this is okay. This is okay. So this is a tunnel, and as it is given 6 meter broad and 8 meter height. Okay, so this is 8 meter. Okay, this is 8 meter height, and this is 6 meter broad. It will be also 8 meter. Okay, and this will be also 6 meter. Okay, so as it is the semicircle, okay, it is semicircle, so this 6 meter will be diameter for this semicircle. So diameter for, as it is given, surmounted by a semicircle, so diameter for semicircle, what we will write here, diameter for semicircle is equal to 6 meter. So radius for semicircle will be 6 upon 2 centimeter. It is meter? Yeah, meter. 6 upon 2 meter. So it will be equal to 3 meter. Okay. Now let's try to understand one thing. As it is given, the tunnel is 35 meter long. So it will be like in the inner side. Okay, like this, like this. This is inner side, and this length is 35 meter. Okay, guys, I can write here. Okay, just try to understand. This length is 35 meter in this side, and 35 meter in this side, in the inner side. I think you guys are understanding what is the meaning. You guys are getting my point. What is the meaning of tunnel? If you are not able to get the point, what is the meaning of tunnel, you can check it on internet or at anywhere. What is the meaning of tunnel? Okay, this is 35 meter. Okay, this will be also 35 meter. Okay, okay. So guys, try to imagine this figure. Okay, because you will have to imagine this, because this is a 3D diagram. So I'm unable to show it exactly, but I think this is enough for understanding. Okay. Now guys, first of all, we will try to find the area for this semicircle. Okay. This is a, first of all, you will find the area for this semicircle. And guys, try to understand one thing. When you will see a picture of tunnel, then you will be able to imagine this tunnel is point just try to understand this tunnel. The semicircle is not just at this point. Semicircle will be also like this point. Okay, semicircle is so long. Okay, 35 meter long semicircle also. Okay, so how we will find the area for semicircle? First of all, just try to know that if we have a circle like that. Okay, so this is 2D diagram, not a 3D diagram. But when this circle is whole like that, it will be take a shape of cylinder. Okay, but I'm not going to explain this. Okay, so how we will find? First of all, we will have to find the perimeter of this semicircle. So we will find perimeter of this semicircle. Perimeter of semicircle. Okay, what it will be? It will be pi r, because this is the semicircle, so we can't take 2 pi r. It will be half of the 2 pi r, means pi r, and it will be 22 upon 7 into, what is the value of r? R will be 3 meter, as we have find already. So here we will write 3, and it will be 66 upon 7. When we will have to find the area for this semicircle, we will have to multiply 35, because this is 35 meter long. Okay, now what we will have to do? We will have to find the area for this rectangular area. Okay, this rectangular area, which is the entrance. Okay, and this is same like at the end at the 35 meter. Okay, but guys, you will have to keep remember this, as it is said that excluding the floor means we have not to take this 6 meter in this calculation. Okay, so what we will have to take, we have to take only two things, because our try to understand how I'm going to tell you, because our area is this portion, this portion, this portion. Okay, this portion at the last, and this side will be the same, this portion, this portion, this portion. So you will have to take the area for this area. Okay, this side and this side, this side. Okay, so by these sides I'm erasing this, because you may confused by this. Okay, so by getting it, like I'm going to find it. Okay, now, so if I will write it, surface area tunnel, surface area of tunnel, then what we will write, 35 into 66 by 7, this is for this semicircle, plus 8, because you will have to take area for this side, only for this side, inner side, but you will have to take for this side separately and for this side separately. So here you will write 8 plus 8. Now you will have to find it. So it will be 35 into 66 by 7 plus 16. Okay, now we will move for the next step. This will be 35 into 66, and here will be the LCM 7. So here will be 66. Okay, 7 1 the 7, 1 when you will multiply of 1 into 66, it will be 66. And when you will multiply, here we can assume denominator 1, and here will be 1 1 2. Okay, after this what we will get, 35 into 178 upon 7. Okay, so cancel it, this 35 by 7, you will get 5 into 178, 5 8 is 40, 5 7 5 7 is 35 plus 4 9, 5 7 is 35 plus 4 39, and 9 5 1 is 5 8 5 3 8. So it will be 890 meter square. Now according to this, what will be the cost? As we know that cost per plastering, as it is given in the question, cost per plastering is 2.25 per meter square. Okay, as in the last it is given 2.25 rupees per meter square. What we will write here, 890 meter square into 2.25 rupees per meter square. Okay, so from here what we are seeing, that meter square will be considered by meter square, and what we can write now, 890 into 2.25 rupees. Okay guys, now what we can write now, we can write it, just a second guys, we can write it 890 into 225 upon 100. Okay, from here what we can do, 25 9 ja 225, 25 4 ja 100. After that you will have to cancel it, you will have to cancel it to 890, and it will not divided completely, okay, by 4, because the last two digits are 90, and 90 is not divisible by 4. Okay, but you will get the answer in multiplication, in decimal, sorry. So here you will get 2002.50 rupees, and this will your answer. Okay, thank you guys.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.